Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Are you on a budget? Do you want a lotion that will brighten or lighten your skin the safe way? But the ones you happen to come across are either too expensive or not easily accessible. Don't worry, today I'll be doing a review on some cheap, safe and effective brightening or lightening body lotions you can use on your skin to get your desired result without you having to break the bank. Trust me. So the first on my list today is the Pure Egyptian Magic Whitening Lotion. This lotion helps to clear dark spots on the body, especially areas like the knee, the elbow, and the thighs. The Pure Egyptian Magic Whitening Lotion also helps to remove age spots, freckles, and evens out the skin tone. This lotion was formulated for both face and body. However, I do not advise that you use a body lotion on your face, especially if it is a lotion that lightens the skin. It is always advisable that you get a good face cream to complement your body lotion because most times these lightening lotions can be too harsh on the face. Reason being that the skin on the face is quite sensitive compared to the skin on the body. This lotion doesn't whiten the skin. I don't know if the word whitening was meant to lure people who are interested in skin whitening to purchase the product. This lotion lightens the skin, no doubt, but it is not a 3 days fast action cream. You guys know I would not recommend a 3 days fast action cream or lotion for you. So this lotion is safe for use on the skin. It doesn't contain hydroquinone or steroids, so it is safe, and it costs between 2,500 to 3,500 naira, which is between $8 to $10. So this lotion is cheap for the work that it does. It's really affordable. If you want a lotion that brightens the skin, this is an affordable lotion. So the next on my list is the Nivea Extra White Firm and Smooth Body Lotion. This lotion contains fruit extract and Q10 to make the skin lighter and firmer. I know you might be wondering what Q10 is. Q10 is an antioxidant that our body produces naturally. But as we get older, our body tends to make less of this coenzyme, which as a result makes our skin vulnerable to damage. So this is why it is present in most skincare products. The Nivea Extra White Firm and Smooth Body Lotion helps to repair dull and damaged skin, dark spots, dry and itchy skin, uneven skin tone. This lotion has superfruit extract that is concentrated and 50 times more potent than vitamin C. It also has the whitening properties of lemon. Regular use of this lotion will result in a smoother, lighter, and firmer skin. Remember, this product is not a fast action cream, so do not expect a 7 days lightening effect. Consistent use of this lotion will reveal a brighter and lighter complexion, but it will not whiten your skin. This lotion is very affordable. It costs between 3,500 to 5,000 naira, depending on where you get yours from, and it doesn't contain any form of hydroquinone or steroid. So the last but definitely not the least is the Gruta C body lotion with Kojic Plus whitening system. The amazing thing about this lotion is that it contains SPF 30. And if you have been following my videos, you would realize that I always emphasize on the daily regular use of a sunscreen. The presence of the SPF 30 in this lotion helps to protect the skin against the sun's harmful UV rays. This lotion provides 4 times intense whitening action through glutathione, vitamin C, kojic acid, and it is supported by 3 times more antioxidants for a healthier and smoother skin. Another reason why I find this product amazing is that it doesn't leave a greasy feeling after application. Aside lightening the skin, your skin is moisturized throughout the day. This lotion will lighten you, no doubt, but it is not a 3 days fast action cream. Like I always say, if you want to lighten your skin, please do it the safe way. This lotion doesn't contain any form of hydroquinone or steroid, so it is safe for use. It costs between 4,000 to 5,000 naira, which is between $11 to $14. So it is actually affordable for the benefits it provides. There is something I want you guys to know. This product I just reviewed will not work on your skin no matter how diligent you are, unless you exfoliate. If you do not exfoliate, this product may likely not give you the desired results. Below this video, there are 2 links to my previous videos titled Why Your Skincare Products Are Not Working and How to Make Your Own Exfoliating Body Scrub at Home. So you can choose to watch them by clicking on the links below if you don't know much about exfoliation. So that brings me to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed every bit of it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do not leave without subscribing to my channel, and also do well to click on the notification bell so that you be the first to get notified as soon as I upload a video. And please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.